Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a table of contents into your document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select the document that you would like to work with and click on it. Now tap on the pencil button down below in the right side corner and then click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find the table of contents option, tap on it, and then you should select from these two options with page numbers or with blue links. Click on the relevant one that you would like to use, and now you are ready to start customizing and creating your table of contents. So type in whatever you like, and if you are done with it, tap the button check mark in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby creating your table of contents, as you can see in the first page at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.